Namaste, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. It is mango season now, so we try to enjoy mangoes in all forms and all varieties of mangoes. Today I am going to show you a very tasty mango recipe which you can make as a dessert and with no cooking. So let's see. Here I have taken 3 mangoes, and whenever you buy mangoes, don't use them immediately. Wash them, allow them to cool, either keep it in the fridge or you can keep it in a bucket of water for some time and then use. That is the way, even the Ayurvedic way, they say that it does not cause so much heat in the body if you cool them in water. So you must choose mangoes which have got a lot of juice and pulp, and not mangoes which have got fiber in them. Okay. Now you take the mangoes, gently just roll them between your hands like this. Remove the stalk. And then take out the juice like this and pulp. See, this is lovely juicy mangoes. This variety gives a lot of juice. You can make it with any mangoes. Even people use Alfonso also. This is Cheruku Rasalu which I have used. Different varieties have different names in various parts of India. And just remove the pulp carefully from it. Then keep the seed and the skin aside. Similarly, you do with the remaining mangoes also. See, we have taken out all the pulp and juice. Aam Ras is the name of the dish. Aam means mango and Ras is juice. So we are really going to enjoy the nectar of the mango. This peel and seeds you can keep aside. You can simply blend it all together like this. But to get a smooth and even Aam Ras, I prefer to put it in the mixer jar. The quantity of sugar you use depends on the sweetness of the mangoes. These mangoes are very sweet, so I am just going to add about 1 tablespoon of sugar. I am using powdered sugar so that it dissolves faster. And blend it together in the mixer jar. If you have a hand blender, you can use that also. See the lovely puree we have got, pure mango puree. Now just to remove whatever is in the jar, you can add a little bit of milk, it adds taste also. Adding milk is again optional because it depends on how thick you want your mango ras to be. Now we have removed all the pulp by the addition of milk. Now mix it all together very well. This is the perfect consistency for Aam Ras. To this we can add some cardamom powder and also a few strands of saffron. And also a few strands of saffron on top. Now you have to chill this for about 2 hours in the fridge. Serve the mango ras very well chilled, you will enjoy it. So I'll go and put it in the fridge and come back when it is chilled. So your Aam Ras is ready. Lovely chilled Aam Ras, absolutely divine in taste, and it is so simple and easy to make. No need of making some elaborate sweets for desserts. You can serve it after lunch or dinner. I like to serve it as a dessert, but people even have it along with puris. Puri and Aam Ras is a very popular combination in the western and northern parts of India too. You can try that if you like. Anyway, Aam Ras tastes good however you have it. So do make the recipe and share it with your family and friends. Please subscribe to Geeta's Kitchen for more such easy, tasty recipes and tap the bell icon for updates about my latest videos. Thank you.